Hi guys, today we are making some trotters and sugar beans. In the pot I have onion with chilies and curry leaves frying. Let that fry a bit. Next add in your spices, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a tablespoon of garam masala, a tablespoon of Dhania and Jeera powder, and about 3 tablespoons of mixed masala. Once the spices have fried a bit, add in tomato as well as ginger and garlic. Boil the trotters for about half an hour in a pressure cooker or for between 1 and 1.5 hours on the stove. Now add in all of the trotters with some of its broth and let this cook a bit. Add salt to taste. Now add in the sugar beans with some of its broth. Now close the pot and let all of this cook together. Serve with rice or bread. Enjoy!